Hey everyone, what's going on? Jim here from Grassroots Piano. Rhythm patterns are not only so much fun, but you get a lot of benefits from coordination to ear training to technique, and that's what we're going to do in this video. This video is for new learners or anyone that needs a refresher. But before we continue, I really want to thank the following people for their viewership and their kindness. They've been really supporting this channel. So shout out goes out to Victoria and Carol, Michelle, Andreas, to name a few. Thank you so much. Let's look at hand positions. We're going to go into the classic C world. So we have C root position and 4-time. And right now, my camera, this is middle C for reference. And then second measure, we have G major, first inversion. And then we go to A minor. And then we are going to F major, first inversion. All right, pattern 1, I see it as a warm-up, and we're going to do this without the pedal. We're going to really focus on our sound. The pedal can make us sound good and hide a lot of habits, and then we have to rework them later on. So I'm going to count to 4, and away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and C, and G, 3 and 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, 3, 4, and repeat that as much as you want. You can go slower. If your arms are really tired from a busy work day, I know a lot of us are on the computers, phones. I have this saying called SNS, slow and soft. It helps get the blood flow through the muscles. The next pattern I have done, but I'm doing it again because it's a similar warm-up, but now we are playing it broken. And some learners, we have weaker muscles. Well, we all do have the weaker muscles in the ring finger and the pinky. We want to try to make sure that we get the same sound, because sometimes we exaggerate as teachers. We have a heavy sound here. 1. All right. It sounds very familiar to the Dell piece when you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But let's go slower for now. Here we go. And I'm going to just do, for now, just no octaves, just left hand quarter notes. And we're going to really try to get a good sound here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and A minor, 2, 3, and 4, and F, 2, 3, and now I'll add the pedal in, 2, 3, 4, and pedal up, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and so I improvised a little bit. I haven't gotten in trouble with that, so it's the creative process, right? Now what you want to do, if that's too fast or you're not getting a balancing sound, you want to just do what we all say as educators, slow it down. And if you have a busy day like I have today, it's going to be tricky to slow it down, but you really want to discipline yourself so you avoid bad habits. All right, the next exercise, this is where pattern 3 you get into some deeper concepts, if you will. I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate the right hand. It's going to be back and forth like this. Excuse me. So we're going to play the 5th and the 3rd like this. And I'm going to keep the same hand position. So when I go to G major, I have the 1 and the 2. So now it's like this. 1, 2, and the 5. So when I get comfortable doing that, if you're new to this, don't think about pressing, think about arm weight and go nice and slow. And then you're going to practice A minor. And then F. I'm going to demonstrate with a flow to it. 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you get comfortable, you can slowly speed it up. So we now get 1, 2, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and you're playing it where it's almost second nature, so you're just able to get it down. All right, the next pattern then will be, we have the whole chord, and then we're going to play E and G, and then C by itself. The rhythm, you can think of it in different ways. For now, I'm going to just teach 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. So it sounds like this. I'll go slower. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. So watch together. E and G by itself. Here I go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and A minor, 2, and 3, 4, and F, 2, and 3, 4, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and A minor, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and I encourage you, like I've said in other videos, play through it, try different dynamics, try different tempos, but if you're getting caught up a lot, just be disciplined and slow it down. If you do a little bit each day, you'll find the progress faster. All right, the next pattern can be done fast, and this pattern, I kind of learned this through Winter Aid, an artist called the Wisp Sings, and we are going to play the rhythm. First, before the rhythm, we're just going to do the root in the third, okay? And then we're going to practice moving that hand position, and then the A, root in the third. And I know there's other ways to do it, but I'm trying to make things easy for the lesson. Now the rhythm is kind of like a long, short, long. I'm going to go slow first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time around, I'll add in the left hand. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For Wisp Sings, it's fairly quick. Alright, so if you've enjoyed my videos, I encourage you to hit the like button, reaches other awesome people like you, and also leaving a comment on what pattern you enjoyed the best if you have the time. But if you don't, make sure you spend it practicing. Bye for now.